How to back up camera roll on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can back up your camera roll pictures on your Snapchat. Now, go ahead and open Snapchat and you'll get an interface like this. Now, tap on your Bitmoji icon that you can see on the top left of your screen. And here, if you go to settings, and here you'll find the option memories. Tap on it. You'll get the option to smart backup. Here you'll get two options. Save button. You can save your snap to memories and camera roll, or to camera roll or to memories only. This way you can save your Snapchat snaps to camera roll. But how do you save your camera roll or back up your camera roll on Snapchat? Now, to do this, go back and go to the main interface, and here you'll get the little picture icon on the bottom of your screen. Tap on it and go to camera roll, and here you'll see your camera roll pictures. Now, once here, select pictures that you want to upload or save to your Snapchat from your camera roll. So once you select your pictures, click on the export button here on the bottom of your screen. And once you do it, what you need to do is simply tap on Snapchat or select Snapchat. Now once you do this, you'll see a little save button on the bottom left of your screen. Tap on save and you can see 3 snaps saved. This way you can back up your camera roll on Snapchat. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.